We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did. And now we're happy to share it with you. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.